where we are here in the middle, or in the middle of Europe, in the very south of Austria. And most important is that we are not manufacturing only 3D printing machines, but we have a wide range of different machinery for different applications. So our biggest business is grouting equipment for tunneling and mining. This is our biggest business and makes around 60% of our annual turnover is grouting and mining. Then we have equipment for the mortar industry. So as you see, continuous mixers, under-silo mixing pump, conveying systems and so on. For rendering, plastering and screeding, for foam concrete, and last but not least, machines for 3D concrete printing. This is what you mainly know. On the next slide, you will realize why I said Multimix 3D and not Multimix in general. Because on the left, this is the Mai 440 GE, which is almost identical to the Multimix 3D, but is for tunneling and grouting. And KFC is using these machines, so I cannot say exclusively because they are already using them. So these are the machines for grouting and plastering. Then we have for grouting and tunneling. Sorry, this is the machine range for plastering, where we also have quite a wide range of machines. In Europe, very important is screeding. Screeding, which means concrete floor.
Reveling.
Right. Where we also have our own machines. One more would be foam concrete, which means lightweight cellular concrete. And of course, in 3D printing, the machines you know. So the one on the side of the Multimix 3D, the print head that you saw today, the little one, the big one. How our business distribution is injection, grouting 51, plastering contains 3D printing. So in general, I would say that 3D printing now is approximately, it's quite big, 15 to 18%.
18.
Of our annual turnover. Where we are doing our business, Europe, Asia, America, Australia. And in the last year, these numbers have changed. Australia became much bigger, is now at roughly 10%. Asia is around 15%.
50.
15.
50,
And Europe became a little bit less. America is now also 12, roughly. So Europe is maybe now 63, 64 or something. And Asia, out of these 22%, I would say more than half is KFC.
KFC is a big
KFC is our biggest customer worldwide.
Okay, I see.
So how did it start? The company was the original company was founded in 1965, but you don't have to take notes. If you want, I can send you the presentation. That's maybe the easiest. I will send you a PDF of the presentation.
Okay.
So it was founded in 1965, and this was the first pump that was built. This is Herbert, you know him. He's the younger brother, and this is the father. And they bought the company in 1991.
Founded.
Yeah. And at that time, they were mainly in the business of injection anchors. This is what you saw yesterday downstairs. In 1994, the product line for plastering and rendering was introduced. And at that time, the factory was over there behind that mountain over there, so it was about 30
Behind,
kilometers from here.
Yeah.
In 1996, we
Mhm.
moved here.
I see.
Since 2000, we are
Oh.
ISO 9001 certified.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, this was in the year 2000, and
Yeah.
we are recertified every year. In 2002, the injection anchors have been sold to Atlas Copco.
Yeah.
So this part of the business was sold. In 2007, we won the prize for Austria's leading companies. And since 1997 until today, we are trying to, as you saw, we have quite a lot of young people in our factory. So what we are doing is that we are training them in-house and we are keeping them. So we have people in our factory who are with us since 25, 30, 35 years.
Yeah.
So these are now typical applications. This is a pump for micropiling, which means you drill holes for anchors. This is soil nailing. If you have very loose soil, you can pump grout in it. Embankment stabilization for roads. Grouting for geothermal drilling. Very important. This is now KFC. Data recording during pipe roofing in the tunnel. That's now KFC.
This is a KFC neighbor.
Yeah. And they are using our data logging system for injection and for grouting. Yeah. I will send you, if you like, I will send you that presentation as PDF.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.